So basically now, link up with the dog and pull up freestyle over rhythm. Me and a youth named Spade build that rhythm. That's one thing with me too with producing. I not shy away from collaborating with people. Because you can never, even though me know my shit, you have some man who have some little style where we can always take from them and them can
always
take
learn
style.
something.
You see me? So I mean a Spade build rhythm, Asian Vice. Cause like true because we didn't want to catch eat at the viral, end up link Brownland shoot the video. Brownland is my brother by the way.
Okay.
Like blood brother. So it's like a family
Creative
thing. Yeah. So shoot the video, release it. You did that going good. Well you looking and when I say I say this can work still. But at that point in time we still did I figure things out. I mean we did produce big songs but at that I moved too fast with the story.
No. But I didn't realize by this time when you had met him that you had produced.
Yeah, me did already produce Lockdown. And
for Koffee.
Yeah, and Popcaan, Rapid, and Fixtape.
That's on his Fixtape. But those two, I think there was collaboration with Dane Ray.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell you how that going now. Because I have talk a story and now because my first interview with this.
Okay.
You see me? I know said this Dougie all over. Remember me I tell us I have a positive thing then. I have a dog named Colt, Tarke. Him a part of the label to him help me with creating the music same way. Him a friends with some dog with their own. Dinner. So the thing with Colt, while me send him a song them. For me voice. So I guess he was in the studio and him a play the song. And Dinner go overheard. And the dog go say, yo, how that bro? You heard him, my dog a sing pan whole kid, you know? And then, long story short, me I get a bag of call on my phone. Me ignore. You see, you think me kind of very protective of my work.
And your
As
energy.
me, yeah, cause me say me did build the thing them for myself. And I really did. Cause the thing about me not really run down the producing thing. And you get what I say, I know really one thing when I try to forget.
It was more for yourself almost, and then it happened to work.
You just happen for work, so the dog then heard him and I get a bug of call and I'm gonna say, yo, you see the heard him everywhere. And I say, I make coffee cup and heard him. You see me?
Yo.
bug of thing out. My friend them out, I talk to my friend them about it and I say, I feel if I make a dog and I'm gonna go and heard him. That's Coffee. And long story short, she end up covering the beat. But that was like my first introduction in like music. So I never really understand certain aspects in terms of like, you know, you have to like maybe do your little press run and make people know say you did that. And through me I do it. My dog Dane I do it. Yeah, my dog still in a DNA, but him a go on like I am build him and he know he not build nothing. You see me?
Sure.
Pick up yourself still, really God.
It's the business, you understand?
My business,
You know what I mean?
God, you have it, God, more well, you don't say business. I'm a dog still.
Yeah.
You see me?
Click here to watch the full episode and don't forget to subscribe.